Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today's topic was how to use the social media to improve your fluency in English. Suppose you are in alone, you have internet and phone or laptop. With that laptop, you can daily watch the movies or English movies or podcasters or reading PDFs in that mobile or laptop. You can improve your English. Suppose you are alone, you can use the social media now in English learning apps. In that English learning apps, you can find the co-learners like us. Then after you will talk 30 minutes or 20 minutes in that co-learners with in English. You can definitely improve your English. This type of activities can improve our English. First of all, you focus on grammar rules. Then, first of all, you don't focus on grammar rules. You can know the grammar rules, but you can speak in time. You can mistakes. These mistakes you can okay, found whenever you record a selfie video in your mobile. Daily you can record a selfie video 10 or 15 minutes. Then you can speak in front of your mobile video while recording in video. Then you will get then after you can listen that video where we can observe. You can listen the 2 times or 3 times. Then after you observe where you did the mistakes, analyze that mistakes, repeat and remember that mistakes. You cannot repeat that mistakes again and again. This type of activities you can do. You can improve. You can definitely improve your English. This type of activities can very valuable input. This kind of things, this kind of activities gives more input to our brain. You can think in English also. Don't translate the sentence from your mother tongue to your brain, our English language. Then this type of, when you think in directly in English, you can brain adapt to slowly your brain adapting to English thinking. English thinking is mostly easy. Suppose you annam tinnao, instead of you can think that there are eating. This type of translations you can do in your brain adapt to English speaking. Daily you can read the novels or PDFs or newspapers. You can get the new vocabulary. Maintain a separate notes. That notes you will daily 15 or 20 words, daily new words written. Then after we can practice that words in our daily usages and speak that words with your friends or your friends or your family members, or use that words writing in a story. You can write the story and use the chat GPT, check the grammar corrections. Then after chat GPT will give the some mistakes where you did, and reason also how they also gives the error, why do syntax rules. This type of activities you can build. Your English can definitely improves.